Mr. Raids and Skeeve can back me up.
Oh no, I'm in a good mood today for some reason. I don't know why.
So Spear, I actually don't eat shit, but
Oh, I mean, I bet you guys had a. Yeah, I bet you guys were pissed.
Awful time.
Why?
feel
The
bad.
thing
Wait,
is,
why?
FNP and traffic did nothing to help. I was literally the only one. I had to fix the farm, your house, the enchantment table, the chest, Jupiter's horse. Like, I just had to like fix everything.
You fixed the horse.
It
Are
was so
you
terrible.
playing Minecraft?
Oh my god!
Yeah,
Oh my
let's
God!
go.
I beat it! Oh my god!
Yes,
It's so fun!
yes.
I actually beat it!
You did it.
You cleared hard map.
Let's go.
My first list demon, oh my god!
Let's
go.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I'm so happy.
Oh my god.
Yes, meaning me
I
talking
felt it,
about
that attempt.
eating
I
shit
felt
helped you beating
I
the
did
level.
too.
Let's
Too-
go.
You didn't die to the end. That's pretty good.
Yes, I was wrong about predicting the 98. I didn't die to 98. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Whoever just joined, I just
Nice.
beat Black Blizzard. Whoever just joined, I literally just beat Black Blizzard.
I just beat Black Blizzard. You just beat it.
Let's go.
Literally the attempt
Oh,
that
he
you
beat
beat.
Black Blizzard.
Oh, Hoki, what's up?
Oh my god, bro. My hands are literally shaking.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
you
yeah,
just
I'm
mentioned
nervous
about
for you.
Beating Black
Wait, hold on.
Blizzard.
Before I comment, I need to actually count attempts. Let me open up the calculator. So, 31,440 is 460.
Holy shit, bro.
By the way,
What the f- Oh my god, 31k?
Wow,
Right.
dude, that's
Black
Jesus.
dedication right there.
15k all attempts. Before you say
Parents.
anything, before you say anything, 15k all attempts, okay?
What the fuck, bro?
15k all
That's Black
attempts.
Blizzard. 40k is
31,440.
already a lot of fucking attempts, and then you're doing it on Black Blizzard, the most boring level on list. What the fuck?
Not really. Alright.
Yeah, well, you know what I mean, right? It's slow. It's slow at the start. That's what I mean.
What
Oh
the
my
fuck?
God.
Wait,
I'm
Steve,
delighted
oh,
so
you died
much.
at the beginning of the UFO.
Yeah, I died to the
393.
green orb.
393.
Oh, okay, yeah, that green orb's kind of garbage.
39.
That green orb is the only timing in the part.
Yeah.
And
Oh
it's
my
a timings that I'm not like consistent with.
Spot, how do you feel, bro? How do you
I'm
feel?
so shaky, but I'm so happy. 4135.
Also,
bro.
Bro,
Okay,
I was
to be
the
fair-
one
to
who told-
97. Why?
to be fair,
Bro,
I
was
did
the one
fluke
who told
Galvatron,
people that you were
Crazy,
getting
and
fucked.
Black.
I'm
In a
pissed.
row.
I almost fluked Galvatron.
Bro, I don't know
Hey,
how
you guys
I
are doing
fluked
digital.
all three. I fluked all three
Yeah.
inconsistent asshole parts.
Me and
forgot about that.
Skiba's 87, I have 72.
Right.
I think I might actually go back and I've already re-beaten digital once just because I did.
Let's go,
So like, there,
Spud.
like,
Why?
'cause what was it? Okay, so I want to explain it. So there's a bunch of levels that I have beaten that I like forgot how to play. Like Black Blizzard being one of them. I want to re-beat Black Blizzard because like I know how to play it now because I have like repractice and all that. But like I could barely play it because I did not know anything about the level. And digital is one of those levels that I forgot how to play. So I went back
Tell you
to it.
one
and I
thing, Skib ain't replaying this level.
Oh yeah, damn no.
Yeah, so I
Damn
wanted to
no.
re-beat it just because, you know, like, I didn't really beat it. It doesn't really matter if you beat something if you don't know how to play it, so I just wanted to re-beat it.
Dude, I need to stop dying at 90-7.
On what?
Fucking digital. I keep doing runs and keep dying to that stupid green orb. I don't know why. It's scaring me.
Oh, isn't 97, isn't that the blue orb where you have to not hit the blue orb and hit
Yeah.
the green orb? Yeah, that part sucks.